Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is ClaireFendy, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video is sponsored by Jessie Collection Hair. They sent me their 14-inch bob wig. I'm really loving it. It's giving me natural. This hair is 180 density, so it's super thick. The lace is 13 by 4, and yeah, so I'm gonna install this hair and I'm gonna give you guys a review at the end of the video. So make sure you guys keep on watching, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. I already bleached and plucked this frontal. I'm gonna pluck it again while it's on my head, but this is a cute 14-inch bob wig. You guys, it is bob season, y'all. Like bobs are in right now. So I'm gonna be putting on this wig. Let's just get started. I already have every time I take this off and see like my little ball cap, it's just like so funny to me. But I already have my ball cap. If you guys are new here, I do not cut my ball cap. I have a method for it. I usually place the hair, when the hair starts getting thick in the hairline, I place it on the ball cap. It works fine for me. I think you guys should try it. Let me show you guys what came in here. It came with the 2 packs of the 2 caps, and yeah, and it came with some pretty lashes. I don't have any lashes on right now, so I'm just going to put on the lashes and try them on. Okay, so my lashes are on and I'm actually loving them so much. They're so cute, so simple, and they sent me a headband scarf. What else did they send me? And they sent me the elastic strap so I can adjust the wig, but I'm not going to sew it on there, so I'm not going to be using it. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is the hair. I have it in the middle part, but I can make it like versatile. I can flip it around to a ponytail. It's super cute. I really do love it. This hair is super nice. Let me read the specs about this hair. So this is 180 density, so it's like really thick, but in a good way. And this is literally giving like my real hair. Like you wouldn't even think this is like fake hair or anything. So yeah, so if anybody in public asks me if this is my real hair, I'm going to tell them yes, because what y'all gonna do, pull it off of me? Like, come on. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.